What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. You guys, this video I'm gonna give you the top 5 fat burning foods. So you might have an idea of what they're gonna be, you might not, so stay tuned. Before I jump into this though, I wanted to remind you of 2 things. The first thing is a really cool special announcement. You guys are all familiar with the Today Show on NBC. Well, in the Today Show, they have a segment called One Small Thing. And I have the privilege of doing an Instagram takeover for NBC's One Small Thing on Monday the 17th. So that will be this upcoming Monday, the 17th of December. I will be doing an Instagram takeover for One Small Thing. So make sure you stay tuned to that. Give it a watch. I would really appreciate it. And I love all of your support all the time. Anyway, so the second thing that I wanted to mention to you guys is that we are ramping up for the Healthy New You program, which launches on New Year's. I can't believe it's almost right around the corner. So much work has gone into this program, you guys. It is amazing, and I can't wait to see you in the program. So make sure you're signed up for that. You can use my discount code KatieSaves, and that'll save you $15 on your program. All the info for that's gonna be below, but let's jump right into this video. What do you think? Number 1 fat burning food, hot chili peppers. You guys, hot chili peppers. This will speed your metabolism. I mean, you might not be able to stomach a lot of it, and I don't want you to turn off your phone or whatever after this video and go eat a bunch of hot chili peppers and die, okay? But if you like spicy food, or if you maybe kind of like spicy food, try to make yourself like it more and eat more spicy food, because hot chili peppers not only burns your mouth, but it burns fat as well. It has been proven to speed your metabolism. Did you hear that? Sadie! Sadie, I'm doing a video, don't bark! 1 second. Sadie. Oh my goodness! We're doing a video, you're not supposed to bark when we're doing a video. What was that? She just growled at me, a little poop. Alright guys, number 1 is, oh my god, Sadie, I have to do this video! Okay, so number 1, I keep messing up now. Number 1 food is hot chili peppers. If you guys like spicy food, it's time to kick it up a notch. Add some hot chili peppers or some cayenne pepper to some meals during your week. You may not know it, but hot chili peppers are an antioxidant food. They have antioxidant properties in them, specifically one called capsaicin. I don't know, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce it. But this antioxidant has been proven to help you maintain and achieve a healthy weight. And it does so by promoting fullness and preventing overeating. And that's preventing overeating. Aside from the antioxidants though, the properties in chili, hot chili powder and hot chili peppers, when you eat the spicy food, it really revs up your metabolism, you're sweating, you're literally burning. And I know that sounds a little cheesy, but I did my research, I verified all of these, and there's lots and lots of information on the web about how hot chili peppers are a fat burning food. Okay, next, coffee and tea, specifically green tea or oolong tea. Now, you might think, of course, because caffeine, and caffeine helps you burn calories. That is correct. So there you go, coffee and tea. Teas high in caffeine are gonna be good for fat burning because of the caffeine in them. That's a stimulant. It's gonna help you just burn more calories. Your heart's gonna be pumping faster. Your metabolism's gonna be running faster due to that caffeine. All right, guys, number 3 on my list is asparagus. Now, some of you guys might know that asparagus is actually a natural diuretic, which means that it's gonna help promote you getting rid of waste from your body. So this not only will help you with anti-bloat, it's gonna flush the water from your body. I always use it when I'm trying to diet down or cut for a shoot or something like that. I used it in my bodybuilding competitions and just for weight loss in general. It's great for getting rid of extra water and bloat. But on top of that, there's a property in it called asparagine, okay? And this, according to all my research that I did before making this video, directly affects the cells and helps break down fat. So that makes it an overall great fat burning food. So if you like asparagus, my favorite way to eat it is to really like almost burn it on either the grill or a really hot skillet with some salt and pepper and a little bit of lemon, and it's amazing. Number 4 on my list are just lean meats, lean protein. And this is because it's gonna keep you fuller longer. You're not gonna be eating any gross animal fat that's gonna increase your overall fat. It's high in protein, obviously, and studies do show that most of us are low deficient in protein. Especially if you guys train a lot, you guys need to keep up your protein. I recommend you eat 1 gram per body weight. So take for me example, I'm around 130 pounds, so I should be eating 130 grams of protein per day. Lean meats are amazing for that. That means like lean chicken breast, lean ground turkey or turkey. Number 5 on my list, this is the very last one, apple cider vinegar. Now, there's a controversy about this one, but I'm gonna put it on my list because I do take it every day in my morning supplement mixed drink, and I feel like it really does help with fat loss. So I have my verification right here. Apple cider vinegar has been credited with reducing appetite and lowering blood sugar and insulin levels in people with diabetes. Not only that, but it has a main component called acetic acid, and that has been found to increase fat burning and reduce belly fat storage in several animal studies. So that's like kind of a fad thing right now, is the apple cider vinegar. Oh my God, what does it do? It's gonna burn all my fat. No, it's not gonna burn all your fat, but it might help, and it might, if you do it every day in your daily routine, it really might make a difference. So I add it to my routine because I kind of like how it tastes too. Isn't that weird? I like the vinegary-ness, acidness of it. It's really not that bad. I use about a tablespoon or 2 in my morning drink, my morning reds and greens drink. So, okay, so I make this amazing morning drink, and it's my One Up Nutrition vegan reds and greens superfood and antioxidant powder drink. 1 scoop of that. I do 2 tablespoons of collagen. I do a scoop of glutamine, and I mix that all together with water, and then I throw some apple cider vinegar and a squeeze of lemon in there every morning, and it is freaking amazing. And I feel like my body definitely does not hold on to stubborn fat, and I think that helps. I really do. Okay, woo, we got through all 5. Did you guys learn something today? I definitely did. When I was researching for this video, I had a kind of an idea of what foods I wanted to say, but upon researching, I found some more that were way more than what I thought. So we learned together. Okay, cheesiness. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure, again, to check out my One Small Thing takeover on Monday. That's gonna be amazing. And I also can't wait to see you in the Healthy New You program launching this New Year's. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, guys, thanks so much for tuning in again. And I have one last thing to remind you about. Actually, I don't think I've told many people about this, so you might be the first to know. So, to ramp up for the Healthy New You launch, which is on New Year's, we're gonna be doing giveaways all the time. So we just gave away an Apple Watch, and this week we're actually giving away a Surge Hydro Ball. Now, what the heck is that, Katie? What is a Surge Hydro Ball? It's this amazing piece of gym equipment. Hold on one sec. It's like a ball like this, and it has 2 handles, and you fill it with water, and you can remove or add water to change the weight of the Hydro Ball. So it can be used as a kettlebell. If you turn it on its side as a kettlebell, it can be used as a medicine ball. It can be used as a dumbbell. It can be a substitution for a lot of equipment. And it goes great with the Healthy New You program, because the Healthy New You program can be done without a gym, just with basic equipment that you could buy at your local store, and that you can definitely use for a lot of the workouts. So it's a really cool giveaway that we're doing, and we are announcing it on December 19th. The winner will be announced on my Instagram. So make sure that you guys enter to win that Hydro Ball. Details to do it are below. All you have to do is sign up for the Healthy New You program before Wednesday, and you'll be entered. So you can save, again, with my discount code called Katie Saves. I'll save you $15, and I hope to see you in the program. Enjoy the bloopers after this, because I definitely messed up a lot while recording this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Did you hear that? Sadie! Sadie, I'm doing a video. Don't bark. One second. Sadie. Oh my goodness. We're doing a video. You're not supposed to bark when we're doing a video. What was that? She just scrawled at me, a little poop. Alright, guys. Number 1 is... Oh my God, Sadie, I have to do this video. Okay, so number 1... I keep messing up now. Number 1... All right, guys, one last thing I want to remind you about is a giveaway. Stupid. Okay, redo this. This is great for bloopers. Whoop, redo.